Hi there, it's Mrs. Blue. I'm going to show you where to find your lessons and assignments when you are in social media course. So I'm on the teacher view right now, which is a little bit different from the student view, but you do have these same icons up here. You want to go to the main menu, choose lessons. That brings you to the social media main page. The easiest way to view your lessons is to click on the brown menu word here. You're going to start in Milestone 1. In Milestone 1, there are 5 lessons to complete. So start with Lesson 101. You'll see the objective of the lesson. You will see the text to read and take notes on. And down here you'll note there's a little interactive. So after you read, you're going to do this little interactive. Then you'll also notice there are 8 pages in the lesson. So if you want to jump from page to page, you can use this. Or after you read this page, you can just click the next arrow and it will take you to the next page. So once you've gone through all 8 pages and taken your notes, and you feel like you have a good grasp on what you were supposed to learn, look back at that learning objective and say, did I achieve this objective? Then you'll get to the last page and it'll tell you what your assignment is. So an assessment, okay, is what the assignment's going to be. So you read through this. And then you're going to take it says go to the assessments area and complete the 1.01 terms and conditions. So that's a quiz. You can also find your assessments over here in the assessments area, and that will take you to your quiz. I'm not going to click assessments because that shows me assignments to grade. But if you go there and you click on the quiz, it'll ask you for your password if it's required, or it'll just take you straight into the quiz. I hope this helps you get started. If you have any other questions, let me know.